the Gaganyaan, the no, the Gaganyaan mission meet the Indian astronaut shooting off to space, Vantage with Palki Sharma by the first post. It's the next mission. I think we'd watched a video about it before, the ISRO, but I think it was like postponed because of COVID and all that, right? So it didn't happen yet, I think, but it's happening soon, if I'm not wrong.
In 2023, India landed on the moon and aimed for the sun. This year, India is planning for another space milestone. Its first manned space mission, Gaganyaan. The launch will happen in 2025. The mission will carry 3 people to a low Earth orbit. They will stay there for 3 days. Today, the Prime Minister revealed the names of these astronauts, the ones who will be part of the mission. And if the mission succeeds, India will achieve new space glory. It will become only the 4th country in the world to send humans into space. Our next report tells you how India is pushing boundaries in space.
It's the same mission.
The year was 1984. It was a freezing evening in Soviet Kazakhstan. But Rakesh Sharma was in a pearly white spacesuit. He was inside the Soyuz T-11 spacecraft, gearing for takeoff at the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Over 2,000 kilometers away, people in India were glued to their TV screens.
Yeah.
After all, he was the first Indian heading to space. Rakesh Sharma's flight was historic, but it was on board a Russian spacecraft.
Fair enough.
40 years later, India wants to send more Indians to space. This time on an Indian spacecraft. It's called the Gaganyaan mission. In Sanskrit, it means the celestial vehicle. The Gaganyaan is slated for launch in 2025. It will carry a 3-member crew to a low Earth orbit, around the distance of 400 kilometers. They will be there for 3 days. They will then be brought back to Earth, landing in Indian seawaters. The total cost of the mission is 900 crore rupees. That's around $1 billion.
Crazy.
Today, Prime Minister Modi was in the state
But
of
that
Kerala.
is space stuff.
He visited the Vikram Sarabhai
Insanely
Space
expensive.
Center. There, he named the astronauts chosen for the mission. They are Group Captain Prashant Balakrishnan Nair, Group Captain Ajit Krishnan,
Ajit.
Group Captain Angad Pratap, and Wing Commander Subhanshu Shukla.
Okay.
ये सिर्फ 4 नाम और 4 इंसान नहीं है, ये 140 करोड़ एस्पिरेशंस को स्पेस में ले जाने वाली 4 शक्तियां हैं.
40 years.
40 वर्ष के बाद कोई भारतीय अंतरिक्ष में जाने वाला है, लेकिन इस बार टाइम भी हमारा है,
Oh, miscalculation.
काउंटडाउन भी हमारा है,
Well, it's still an insane amount of
और
money, right?
रॉकेट भी हमारा है.
Beyond us normal people's comprehension.
These 4 men were selected from a pool of Air Force pilots. They have undergone extensive tests, both physical and psychological. They first received training in Russia. This was for a period of 13 months. Now they are being trained in Bengaluru. Gaganyaan could be a game changer for India's space sector. If successful, India could be the 4th country in the world to send humans to space, after the US, Soviet Union and China.
I was literally instinct,
मुझे
yeah.
जानकर
China,
बहुत
that's right.
अच्छा लगा कि गगनयान में यूज होने वाले ज्यादातर उपकरण मेड इन इंडिया है. ये कितना बड़ा संयोग है कि जब भारत दुनिया की टॉप 3 इकोनॉमी बनने के लिए उड़ान भर रहा है,
A coincidence.
उसी
And
समय भारत का गगनयान भी
obviously,
हमारे
like, it took all this time because you need crazy money.
एक
Yeah,
नई
makes sense.
बुलंदी पर ले जाने वाला है.
Last year, India made history. It became the first country to land near the moon's south pole. Just weeks later, India also launched Aditya L1. This was its first observation mission to the sun.
Okay.
India has more ambitious plans in the wings. There's the Gaganyaan mission that's slated for 2025, but that's not all. India aims to set up its own space station by 2035. It
35,
also
huh?
wants to send an astronaut to the moon by 2040. But the success of all of that hinges on the Gaganyaan mission. It's
Yeah.
one takeoff that India will watch with bated breath.
It's kind of scary, obviously. I mean, even though we see, other countries have done it, right? There's been a lot of mistakes. I think, like, every other country to do it have had some big mistake and tragedies, right? So I think, like, the most impressive thing India could do is just not have anyone die, right? Like, yeah, obviously, there's a lot of, there's, decades of knowledge from different countries to rely on, but even then, we all know how crazy and complicated it is to send people into space. I don't know what percentage of, the percentage of chance of bad stuff happening is, but yeah, I think that would be the most impressive thing. Yeah, just everything goes well, right? As far as, no one lose their life, even if, something goes wrong with, your rocket or something, whatever, but as long as people are okay, that's probably, the most impressive thing. So, yeah, looking forward to see how it works out, I don't know when is the date now for this. When is it happening now? Soon? Maybe? Okay.